I'm Audrey and I'm currently a Level 5 Sport PE and Health student at Cardiff Met. Open Campus is an initiative brought to Cardiff Met and involves every week we have a practical session where we have the school children come in and we'll deliver our sessions, and then the following week we'll sort of reflect on it and have our seminars where we go through our strengths and weaknesses. Sport PE and Health has given us a variety of ways that we can learn. So for example, our work placements that we have to do, our open campus with the practicals and seminars. We have our theoretical seminars that we do, and then our practical sessions mixed with lectures of different modules. The combination of teaching and opportunities that I've been given inside of uni are preparing me well for my future career. The advice I would give to anyone coming up into university is to just take every opportunity you're given, because everyone that is at uni is trying to prepare you as much as they can to do your best. So if you're given an opportunity to take this open campus, to really apply yourself in the theoretical seminars, to go and do your work placement, I would take it because it really helps you for the future.